Hello, hello, hello. Yo, what is going on? Yo, I know y'all see that big blue box, man. And you know, you would have seen it a little bit earlier if you joined the Discord. So I need y'all to join that Discord. The link is in the description. Also, hit that subscribe button. Another thing, I woke up this morning, checked that subscriber count, and I said 60 subscribers. So you know what that means? I don't know either, but we hit 60 subs. Thank y'all so much. Specifically, thank you uh to my dog, my 60th subscriber. Hell yeah. Um so we're gonna do a series teaching my 60th subscriber how to trade uh when I quit my full-time job. But yeah, man. Now let's get actually into the trading recap because I know I'm yapping a little bit. But anyways, thank y'all for 60 subs, regardless. Today took a big dub. Would have been a bigger dub if we had just trusted our plan. But you know what? We don't want to fucking trust our goddamn plan, so we fuck ourselves over. Oh, pardon my French. Anyways, yeah, man, it's like the best, bro. We literally have like, okay, let's break it down. So I come into today. You know what? Yeah, we should do a full recap because niggas be posting like 20-minute long recaps. I can't do all that, but speed recap. Coming to today, mark out daily high and low. You know, we're looking at today. We had just inversed this daily fair value gap here. So honestly, coming into the day, I was expecting bullish price action. Okay. But if I bring over our thing over here, if you can see between these 2 days, we had some SMT at these highs with ES. So on the daily highs, we had SMT with ES. And at the lows as well, we've now created, I believe, it's still holding. Yeah, at the lows, we have SMT as well. But that I was framing for a small little reversal. That's passive. We're past that at this point. Anyways, coming into today, I was bullish. But seeing that we had SMT at the daily highs, once I started doing a little bit of my analysis, I switched my bias honestly to a bearish bias. If I'm gonna be truthfully honest though, I was waiting until 10 a.m. because we had high impact news. And before that, I was trading on the practice account on Top Step. You know, I was just throwing out contracts, just seeing how price was moving that day. And my first couple of trades were longs, so I was longing and getting stopped out on both of them. And then I was around 800 in the hole. And then when I finally took the short, I took the short off an order block and then took the short off an inversion fair value gap on my funded account. But let me break it down here. So we come to the 5-minute. We have this we have this, damn, got this 15-minute inversion fair value gap. And we had swept these internal lows and honestly continue going. So once seeing this inversion, this 15-minute invert after so what 9:45 is when that 15-minute closed. So we've seen it invert here. And basically once I seen that inverse, I switched my bias to bearish, like fully. So that's when I started looking for shorts. That's not what I wanted to do. Down to the 1 minute, we had some short-term SMT with ES as well. Right after or right before we inversed. Actually, no, is it right after? Yeah, right after we inverse this 15-minute fair value gap, we formed this SMT here, and then we started dropping this bearish fair value gap. Was more confluence as well. We didn't even trade back into it. We kept respecting it. We had this bearish order block here. As you see, we perfectly respected the body, didn't even trade into the wick, the higher wick. And that's where I entered on my Top Step accounts or my Top Step practice account because I didn't actually take it on the proper account. And then this teeny tiny inversion fair value gap is what I entered off of. And that allowed my stop to be minuscule. I put my stop above this order block because I realistically didn't even want to see it trade into the order block again. But I gave it, some room to breathe because we don't want to be too cocky. So yeah, we put our stops right above, did not trade into it whatsoever. And then it's chopped around a little bit. Not gonna lie. I was a little bit cheesed about that. We were chopping around for quite a while. But then once we found our direction, we broke these lows, moved stops to break even. We were golden after that. We hit that 2.5R. It kept dropping and then it came up a little bit, but I was like, I think, wait, there's a little inversion here. Yeah, there's this little inversion here, but I was like, we are still clearly bearish. And honestly, we're still clearly bearish because I tried to take this little reversal here. Not on this account, but I was marking it out and that didn't even work out. But again, we had this little inversion in fair value gap, but I was like, I'm waiting to see. I don't want to see a reversal. Like I'm not expecting a true reversal until we hit previous day's low. If any, like if we even get a reversal at all. As we see, it's still fucking dumping. Jesus Christ. But, yeah, dude, fucking made this bearish fair value gap. Didn't even tap into it. Just kept dumping again, and then chopped around, kind of hit our previous day's low, and that's where we took off our very last contract. So we took off 4 at 2.5R because that's our take profit all the time, and then we took off 1 at 7.6R. Am I happy? I guess. A win is a win, yeah. But at the end of the day, we broke our rules and we made the win smaller than it really needs to be. This would have been a almost $1,400 win if we had gone in with the correct contract sizing. But, that's just how the game goes. You either trust your analysis or you pay the price in the future. But that's our trade for today. That baby is still dumping. 11R. See if we'll hit 12 soon. Oh, probably gonna hit 12R soon. But yeah, that's the whole recap, man. Proud, but kind of not proud. Gonna journal this trade and yeah, man. I'll catch y'all in the next one. Hope y'all made some money. And yeah, have a good one, y'all. Peace.